on, guys? Kevin, you already know. We're back at it again today, we're addressing this burning question. How long should I take learning code? What's going on, guys? Again, Kevin, you already know. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, guys. Here I talk about everything from web development, designing, and just the lifestyle in general, just kind of living life and learning how to code. So if these are cool things that interest you and you just want to just hear a regular guy just talking his head off about code and just living life, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate you. So if you think about it, here's the main question you should ask. How soon are you looking to find employment? So if you know how soon you're looking to find employment, then that can kind of give you a general idea of how long you should take spending to learn some code day to day. So oftentimes you're gonna hear 20 minutes a day, an hour a day, 2 hours a day, 4 hours, 6 hours a day. And the thing is, guys, it depends. It really depends. If you're looking to find some work soon, then yeah, 20 minutes a day is not gonna cut it. Here's the thing, you don't even know if this is what you really want to do. The best approach, if you just really need to find an answer to this burning question, is to first start off with 20 minutes a day. See what that feels like. Is it doing something for you? Is it starting to click? Does it just all sound interesting enough? And if it does, then that means you're on to something here. Make that 20 minutes, make it 30 minutes after that, maybe an hour. If this is starting to become one of those things where you find yourself just randomly dropping at your desk to just start clickety-clacking on the keyboard without any thought, then yes, this is where you need to be. And then you're in a good place. Now you can start progressing, start challenging yourself to sit longer, because when you find employment doing this stuff, you're gonna be sitting for hours. Or you can do what I'm doing, working on a stand desk here, automatic stand desk up, down, but you're gonna be at your desk for quite some time. So 8 to 10 hours a day, maybe. It depends. Mine's a little flexible. I kind of roam around, so a little different, but be prepared for that. It's gonna happen. After you establish that, then you should know that, yes, all right, now I'm into this thing. I'm looking to find employment right away. So now I'm gonna start turning that up to 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day. So it's all about making use of your time. So when I say increasing your hours, if your value, if your mental capacity, if all this stuff is starting to decrease, wait a minute, you need to stop right away. Totally had some lint in my hair, so I think I got it out. Hope it did. Look, with that being said, do not overdo it. If you overdo it, then you're gonna get turned off from the whole process, and then we've just wasted time. So make sure you're now, with you increasing the hours, have a structured set of time that you have dedicated day after day. And I have to be honest. At least put yourself in the mindset of learning code Monday through Friday, some type of like work week kind of mindset. I would say dial it back when it comes to the weekend. If you want to crank a little extra, you got that kind of lifestyle, go for it. But Monday through Friday, I think you're good right there. I think that'll work. Daily though, it needs to be Monday through Friday, daily. All right. So I hope I answered that question. I get it asked all the time, and it really takes as long as you make it. So if you're not in an extreme urgency of finding employment, you enjoy where you are, but knowing there's better things out there, or you think there are, and you just want to kind of dabble, then sure, I mean, yeah, pace yourself. Just take your time with it. And yeah, you can do the 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day, every other day, whatever. But I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you're looking to find employment quickly. And the quickest way to do it is, I can't give you a definite like 3 months, 6 months. It varies. You could, very much so. It is a possibility. I would say earliest, give or take 3 months, probably sooner. But If we're talking about pretty early, 3 months, you can probably get a turnaround to where it can work for you that way. But it all depends though, like I said, you just wanna keep constantly finding a way to increase your productivity when it comes to coding, finding projects, being a self-starter. You gotta be a self-everything. And that's what's gonna be key, because these are gonna be those soft skills you're gonna need when it comes to getting interviewed, getting that level of comfort of being able to sit at the desk, multitask, live life, and then still get at the desk and make time to code and stuff. These things are gonna be very key to leveraging yourself with the inexperience you have. Throw a little bonus piece in there too. What can I do with this catch-22? They're looking for people with experience, but I don't have any experience. So it makes no sense. Like, how do I get experience if I don't have experience? Simple fix: go out and find friends, family, your favorite coffee shop, somebody who looks like they need a website. You don't really want to go get caught up with a mock situation where you just make one up and stuff. You could do that, but you're not gonna stick with it. It's just gonna be a turnoff, because there's really no level of commitment. There's no there's no sense of ownership. So just find anybody, get you about, maybe I say one, but about 2 to 3 random small lightweight projects. It may be with the no code going on. What I mean by no code is WordPress. Maybe starting off with WordPress. You could do a static site. Maybe get somebody a landing page with HTML, CSS only. These are gonna be the things you're gonna be looking for. I'm telling you right now, when you're starting off with employment, it's gonna probably be with a digital marketing agency of some sort. These are kind of the in the door kind of gigs. So HTML, CSS, a little bit of JavaScript basics, fundamentals are gonna be key. And definitely working with content management systems, WordPress in particular, because I believe at the time, right now, they're currently 33% of the world's market. So yes, that's huge. That means WordPress is probably almost everybody's site. So just think about that. Pace yourself. The code's gonna be for you. You'll know over time, easily within the first week. I can tell you that much. Probably in the first couple days. And if it gets better, increase your time. Then after that, start looking for some, look in your neck of the woods. Don't get yourself caught up with, going down this road with wanting to learn these nice, shiny new objects, and it's not in your neck of the woods it's in regards to employment and stuff. You want to find out what's going on in your area, what's hot and what's not. So you're not wasting time. All right, I think I remembered a little bit too much in this video. I have many more of these to come. I have these. I gotta get ready I got a design project I want to put together. I'm actually want to kind of replicate one. I just want to kind of play around with it in Adobe XD, but it's a site that I've been using lately to order food. So stay tuned for that. I consult developers who want to generate their small business and do some things and just kind of maybe develop their own little agency. I help with that. I help with the mentoring aspect with ones who just trying to get into code and learn how to manage their time and nickel and dime their time until they increase that productivity, putting in more hours, and things are starting to click better for them. I help with that too. If that interests you, please let me know. Comments below. You can DM me at Instagram or Twitter at KevinTheDev00, which is literally 00. But yeah, you can reach me there. And until next time, folks, stay tuned and we'll be back. We'll catch you later.